Technology is being used everywhere in today's time, and the smartphone market is being advanced in this age of technology. Within a few months, you start seeing your smartphone as old because of new technical and advanced features. The world has been occupied by Android phones, but Apple's phone has the most passion. People using smartphones must be aware of the iPhone. Everyone wants to buy the same iPhone, but not everyone's dream becomes a reality. Because one of the major reasons for this is the price of iPhone. The price is such that it is not possible for the common people to buy an iPhone. Only for them is to dream. But do you know why Apple iPhone are so expensive? Then this is what we are going to discuss in this video. So with this, welcome again to our very own channel Celebrity, and if you're fond of such more interesting videos, then do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming ones. So without any further delay, let's get started. Security. One of the main reasons why Apple products are so popular and iPhone are so expensive is because of their security. Apple maintains strict security in all their products, which has earned the trust of the customers. When it comes to security, who doesn't want their data to be safe? This is why big celebrities, superstars are always seen using the iPhone. If common people like you and me are so concerned about cybersecurity, think about what celebrities like them might think. Research. Apple has always created something new since its inception and has not followed the trend of copying like 10 other companies. The history of the reverse tech world shows that other companies have copied Apple from time to time. No one even imagined that there would be a notch on the smartphone a few years ago. Even when Apple first introduced the notch, there was a lot of discussion and criticism about it. But after a few months, it was seen that all companies have started making phones by copying the design with Apple's notch display, which still is going on today. Now the phone is not visible without a notch display. In fact, there is one more reason why Apple smartphones are priced too high. That is its design. The iPhone has many great features like an OLED display, a fast processor and a thin bezels. Its design is excellent. In addition, the operating system also has Apple's known as iOS. Not only that, gold and silver are used in many parts of the iPhone. In addition, the iPhone model will be accompanied by duty and taxes, which makes it cost so much. Last but not the least, and that is show off. Yes, you heard it right. One of the reasons why all iPhone and Apple products are so expensive is now show off. Apple has taken over the market in such a way that those who are their die-hard fans are kind of blinded. Whether Apple brings good things to the market or bad things, they will close their eyes and buy it. There is a competition as to who is running the latest version, as many things. Those who have an iPhone are rich. For all these reasons, Apple has now reached $1 trillion company, and the price of their products has remained high as ever. For all these reasons, the iPhone is so expensive. So that's how Apple introduces something new every year, which is why people look forward to seeing Apple's seminar all year long. But one more thing is noteworthy here. Apple has always been on a different path since its birth. But after the death of Steve Jobs, Apple has not been able to bring any new surprises in that sense. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. We will be bringing a lot more such amazing facts in our upcoming ones. So for being tuned, do hit the bell icon for such more interesting contents. Till then, take care, goodbye. See you soon with another awesome video.